Believe it, we are already halfway through tax season, but many have yet to file. With changes to laws, deductions, and a whole lot more, no one should assume their taxes will look the same as last year. In fact, waiting can increase both errors, of course, and your anxiety. Joining us now is Mark Stieber. He is the Chief Tax Officer with Jackson Hewitt. Mark, good morning. Good to see you.
Good morning, Brandy. It is halftime. Time to go get that money, though.
Yes, it is. Okay, let's just jump right in. What are some of the common mistakes that people are making with their income specifically this year?
Yeah, there's a lot to watch and a lot to watch out for every year between life changes, tax law changes that were scheduled to happen from prior legislation, and then this year with that legislation that happened last summer, you know, there's new deductions that have never been before seen, a new $25,000 deduction for tips if you have that in your income, overtime, $12,500 potential per person if you've got overtime, a new senior deduction of up to $6,000. There's deduction for automobile interest if you borrowed money to buy a car in 2025 and it was finally assembled. And because those rules are kind of new and never been seen before, you can't look at last year. They're pretty confusing because 25 was a transition year and it may not be on your W-2 or pay stub, so you gotta have to do a little bit of work yourself. So there's a lot to watch, but the table stakes could not be more important because it's big money in your pocket with these new deductions.
Absolutely. I mean, Mark, just personally, when my husband and I filed our taxes, we were pretty shocked to learn that some of those deductions that we've been used to for many years weren't allowed this year. They're not, available for folks. Let's talk about, workers with multiple incomes. What are some of the things that they need to keep in mind before filing?
Yeah, that makes a more complicated tax return, and it really depends on whether you've got employee wages from two jobs where you get a W-2. That's a little bit easier, but things to watch out for. Overpaid Social Security, for example. But if you've got a side hustle, which is a lot more common, where you've got a regular job and you're getting your W-2, but then you're earning money over here on one or more side hustles, and you're kind of self-employed, there's a lot to watch for there, whether you got a 1099 or didn't. What deductions can you take and reduce your income? A lot of people say it's a hobby, so I'm not going to report it, which is not correct. But more importantly, you might be cheating yourself out of some really great deductions that could create a loss and even give you a bigger refund and a whole lot more. So watch out for life changes, tax law changes, the new legislation on tips and overtime, and then anything else from either moving, changing a job, starting a side hustle, cryptocurrency, all can give you more and bigger tax deductions, which can lead to, as we've seen so far this year, a potentially bigger tax refund.
All right, Mark, we've got about 30 seconds. So what do people need to be doing right now to avoid those last-minute stress markers as we get into April?
Simple three-point plan. Find your documents. You should have them all. If you don't, hope's not a strategy. Get on the phone. Secondly, find that pro that's convenient, that's transparent, not one of those janky pop-up people that come into the system at this time of year with false promises and some sketchy stuff. And thirdly, commit. Commit to the next 10 days. Get your taxes filed and start thinking about next year. Find your documents. Find your pro. Go and file. It's that simple. Get that money.
Got it. Find, file. All right, Mark. Always good to see you. Thanks so much.
All right, Brandy. Have a good day. Go get that money.